Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Rowe. We're looking at Province Stat Part A. This is Lesson 3, and we're going to talk about how to make a Venn diagram from given information. You're given a two-way table in one problem. This is more for the next problem where you got the turkey and the ham and how many ate either one. This is kind of how it's really easy to do this without that two-way table. So let's take a look at what we got here. And this is actually a problem from the lesson, but helping you by talking it out might help you figure out where you're going wrong with what you're doing. So let's take a look. It says out of 40 students, so that is important information. So we got a total of 40. That's our total. It says 14 are taking English and 29 are taking chemistry. This is the real important part that we're going to start with. 5 are taking both. So when I go to make my Venn diagram, I want to start with how many are taking both if I'm given that piece of information. So I've got 5 that are taking both. I put it right there in the middle. Why does it go there? Because that's where these circles overlap. And so this is a member of both of these sections. So now I'm going to label each section. I'm going to label this one with English. And I'm going to label this one with chemistry. And now we're going to work backwards to figure out how many are only taking English and only taking chemistry. So let's start with English. 14 are taking English. Well, I've got 5 right here in this circle. So how do I figure out how many are only taking English? 14 minus 5, that would be 9 that are only taking English. I'll put a 9 right there. Let's do the same thing for chemistry. I've got 29 that are taking chemistry. Well, I already know that 5 right here are taking it because it's in this overlap part of the circle. So I'm just going to go 29 minus 5. And that gives me 24 that are only taking chemistry. But we have this other issue here. We've got a total of 40 students. Well, let's see what we get when we add these up. So we got 24 plus 5, which is 29. 29 plus 9 is 38. Well, guess what? If we have a total of 40, we need a category outside the circle for neither. And since we have a total of 38 taking these courses, that means that there are 2 taking neither. So this is the complete Venn diagram that you could use to answer questions. So use this to help you with the turkey and ham problem. And if you're still confused or still need a little extra help, please let me know in a teacher message or make an appointment for a help session.